Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Japanese Language. This video for those people who are learning for JLPT N5 and N4 exam. Till now we already finished all hiragana. Today we are going to start katakana. Okay? Let's start today's session without wasting time. Look at here and say A, E, U, A, O. Okay. The pronunciation in hiragana and katakana both are same. Let's start how to write katakana. O. A, E, U, A, O. A. First stroke, second stroke. A. Next is E. E. First stroke, second stroke. E. Okay. Next is U. U. First stroke, second stroke. U. Okay. Next is A. First stroke, second stroke. A. Okay. Next is O. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. O. Okay. After A, E, U, A, O, we are going to learn Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Look at here and say Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Okay? Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Ka. First stroke, second stroke. Ka. After ka, it is ki. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. Ki. Writing katakana also very easy. Ki. Okay. Hiragana ki is like this, but katakana ki is like this. Okay. After ki, it is ku. First stroke, second stroke. Ku. After ku, it is ke. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. K. K, it is ko. First stroke, second stroke. Ko, 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 ko. Okay. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. As we learn in hiragana, in this line we have voice mark alphabet. Exactly in katakana also we have same. Like when we have voice mark in ka, it changes to ga. Here also ki changes to gi. Ku changes to ku changes to gu. Ke changes to ge. Ko changes to go. So pronunciation also similar. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Ka, ga, ki, gi, ku, gu, ke, ge, ko, go. So today's class is this much. Thank you for watching my video. Sayonara.